Okay, so I think this is day 4. Off to Wasaga Beach. Here we go. I'm already reading 18. The wind is brisk though.
Not bad for me. I guess I missed the winter.
Yeah, it's fine. Fuck. Resurfacing for 4.1 kilometers. Yes. This is going to be a fun little adventure. Warminster. Holy fuck, look at all that shit. That's crazy. See for days up here. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, look at this view. We're in Vassy, Ontario, or Vassay. Waverly Place. Wizards of Waverly. I remember that show. Selena used to watch that. Hey Selena, I'm in Waverly. I'll let you know if I can see any wizards. That was sweet! Yeah! Fuck, it just hung there. This was brutal? Whoa, I don't feel it. Oh yeah? Huh, we're in Wasaga Beach. Holy shit. We're in Wasaga Beach. What the fuck? Not sure when that happened or how that happened. That's cool. Okay, cool. Oh, is that the water? I thought those were mountains. Holy fuck, yeah, that makes sense why it got so cold all of a sudden. It's fucking cold. God damn, fuck you, Lake Huron. Son of a bitch. Oh, wait, what? Oh yeah, big time. It's not super. 14 degrees. Wow. We were what, 18, 19 a while back? Yeah. That's fucking ridiculous. It dropped the whole, and we're off the water now, so we're a whole 5-degree difference. I guess we go straight? Sure. Me neither. Oh, I'm not in first. And it was like instant. It was like, welcome to Wasaga. Freeze your nuts off.
Oh, no entrance.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Oh, fuck, no entrance. One way. Don't come this way and we're running into OBB.
No. We're lost. Fuck, don't feel bad for us.
No, I want to get out of this fucking shit hole, fuck. It's freezing. My hands are frozen.
Like, it's warm now. It's beautiful.
Yeah, let me sit still.
Yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's a fire station? Fuck. Tell me there's no good taxis in this city, eh? Ha, good stand. Oh. Shit. Fuck. Ah, fuck, it's right there. Where are you going? Stupid GPS keeps trying to reroute me to a faster road. I want to go faster. I want to go the pretty way. Oh yeah, this is nice. The Blue Mountains, population 7,500, and now we're in Craigleith. I don't know how that happened. Maybe they're really small mountains. Nice and warm here. Oh look, we're already in Meaford. Holy shit. Yeah, so now we're gonna go like directly west. We're going right away from the lake now. Wow. Yeah, we're going to Owen Sound, which takes us kind of like southwest down and away from the lake. Oh, that was instant heat. Holy fuck. It's like when you pee in the lake and you find that warm spot. Yeah. Oh, it's 17 degrees. It just shot up on my dash. Ah! Oh, that was a big bug. You heard it through the microphone, eh? Oh yeah, it was definitely for my tunk. Oh yeah, you mean a pergola? Perigore. I don't know what the fuck a perigore is. Yeah. Fuck, the reverb through the mics is crazy. Blub, 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 blub. Did you, yeah? Oh, bumpity bump. Oh, manhole cover. Nope, that was just a hole. Beautiful water. Fuck, I can't even find my wheelie right now. Yeah. Nice. Right on the main drag. Oh, look at this crack whore. You just made her pee a little. Look at this fucker.
Beauty day? So it's 750. 1300.
He was thinking Honda Shadow 750.
So what's that? Is that a Volkswagen? It sounds like a Volkswagen. Santa Fe or?
Is that a Hyundai? A Kia? Must be a Kia. Is that one of those Kia IEs?
One of those Nissan Cubes. Fuck, what a difference, eh?
I can actually feel my nuts, they're cold when they're touching my leg.
I know. Actually, my
I'm kind of
more.
squeezing them.
My balls like they're still a little bit cold.
Yeah, I can feel them.
They're starting to drop again.
Yeah.
They're just starting to drop.
Yeah. It's funny because I can, if I cross my legs, I can feel my pecker too. It's cold.
I know.
Still blinking red, eh?
Yeah, slow blinking.
Yep.
Means it's recording?
Yeah, I didn't turn it off. Oh, look, it's 28. Nice. Out here. Okay, there's got to be a Boston Pizza somewhere. Well, where are we going here? What are we doing? Do you see anything that strikes your fancy? Hey, is that a Boston Pizza? Yeah! That's where we're going! Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're shooting blanks. That's awesome. Tobermory. Going to the bears. Okay, just pull in here to the left at the Home Hardware. Worst case scenario, we'll go piss behind one of these storage units. Yeah, I'm sure the plumbing's still up to code. I'm just gonna piss right into one of their display toilets. You mean this isn't a public bathroom?